the screen. Guys, I think we had seen the three types of operators supported in C. So let's go through the previous class. So first one, what is an operator? So operator is a symbol that specifies the operation to be performed on various type of operands. So operator operates on operand. So what is an expression means? It's a combination of operands and operators. I'll go slowly. Operator means we have this plus minus star symbols, guys. Operands means A, B, C. If A plus B is the expression, A and B are operands, plus symbol is the operator. So classification of operators. So unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. If there is minus A or minus 9, that type of operators, that type of expressions we can call it as unary operators. See minus 10 plus A minus B. So binary. Binary means two operands. Ternary means three operands. So special cases. So we have arithmetical, relational, and logical. We have seen these three things in the previous class. So arithmetic operators. So C provides all the basic arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, star, division, and modulus. That's not percentage, that is called as modulus. Relational operators, greater than or equal to. So I'm not in a hurry, let's not hurry the things. So this is the arithmetic operators. Let me check how many people are there. 47. Guys, Saturday attendance was less. 41 people are there. That's not a good practice. Guys, in the Saturday class, we had seen what is an operator, what is an operand, and what is an expression. And we had seen these three. First one is arithmetic operators, relational operators. Relation means we are going to check the relation between two things. That is equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than equal to, is equal to, is not equal to. So this is relational operators. Next one is logical operators, AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. NOT gate means it is negation, guys. And you know, whenever both the gates, whenever both A and B are 1, AND will be 1. Note really. 1 will be AND gate 1. When both are 1, AND gate will be 1. When both are 1 or both are on, AND gate will be on. In rest of the cases, it will be 0 only, right? In rest of the cases, it will be 0 only. And when will be OR gate true? OR gate will be true when both are true or any one of the either one is true. Either A should be true or B should be true, or both A and B should be true, can be true. Then only OR gate will be true. So it will be false only when both are false. And next one, negation. If A is 0, negation of A is 1. If A is 1, negation of A is 0. Ulta case. This is AND gate. This is OR gate. First you go through the AND gate. True and true, true. True and false, false. False and true, false. False and false, false. This is logical AND. This is logical OR. Only logical or not. Okay. Guys, is those three things clear? Arithmetic operator, logical operator. Are those three things clear? Or are you people clear till now? Reply till now if it is clear. We have seen three types of operators. Reply 3 if it is clear. Or reply till now. Pushkar, Mital, Nitin, Krupa, everyone. So next let us see the assignment operators. Assignment operators. It is a little bit interesting. So here what we can do is we can assign the value of one variable to the other one, guys. So here int a is equal to 10. I am not assigning b. Here, see here. And then I will take other word pad, writing pad. See here, what we can do is we can assign the data or assign the value of a variable to other one, guys. Int a is equal to 10. Now for you people, I will zoom it. Int a is equal to 10. See here, now for me int a is equal to 10, guys. What I can do is I can declare int b is equal to 10. Sorry. What I can do is I can int b is equal to 10, or else I can do b is equal to a. If I do this one, guys, what will be the value of b? What will be the value of b here? I have declared int a is equal to 10, and I can do this one, or else I can do int b is equal to a. Guys, what will be the output of third line? What will be the result of the third line? Reply in the chat box. Reply in the chat box. What will be the value of b in the third line? In the third line, what will be the value of b? What will be the value of b, guys? Most of you have done correctly. One more question. ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ. Hey, just a simple mathematics ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದು. I don't want to test your programming knowledge because you people are into just 10 or 15 days. So my question is, now can I assign ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸೂಪರ್ ನೀವು will this statement work? Third statement, you don't worry about the second statement. Go through the first statement and third statement. Can I do like this? Wait, I'll delete this one only. Can I do this one? Is it correct? Will it work? Int a is equal to 10 and float b is equal to a. Will it going to work? I'll give you 1 minute time. Test your thing.
No, sir.
Okay. If no, why? Reply in the chat box. Will it work? Why? ಯಾಕೆ? Why it won't work? Answer is simple, guys. It is of different data type. If it is of different data type. Okay? Data type different, Nitin. I have declared int a as an integer and b as a floating point. That's why it won't work. Okay, most of you have given the correct reply. Good ma. Others ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So here in assignment operators, see, this is the simple. There are 3 types of assignment operators. First one is simple assignment operator. First one is, sorry, 1 second, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Or else I can do even this way also, guys. Go through this one. First one is simple assignment operator statement. You can assign the value of one variable to another variable. That is the role of assignment operator. Guys, you should be attentive. Try to note down as much as possible. If you just listen to these classes, it will be like you will hear from this year and you will leave from this year. It won't work, guys. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ serious ಆಗಿ write down. Most probably shortly we may have offline classes also. Okay. So first one is simple assignment variable statement. Shorthand assignment operator, guys. First you go through the example. So this is a new, this might be a new thing for you. It is like A is equal to A, sorry, sorry. A is equal to A plus 10 can be written as, can be can be written as A plus is equal to 10. See here, guys, this is one type of writing expressions, guys. Let me check whether it's correct or wrong. %, correct. So here, what it is going to tell is the shorthand operator. It is going to tell is, it is, we can write this expression A is equal to A plus 10 as A plus is equal to 10, and there are many other cases also. We'll see. Only. So this is the second expression. So this is the first one. This is the first one. This is the second one. This can be rewritten as guys, it is just rewriting the expression in different form, guys. See here, first one, A is equal to A plus 10 can be written as A plus is equal to 10. A is equal to A plus 10 can be written as A plus is equal to 10. Next one, X is equal to X into Y plus Z. X is equal to X into Y plus Z can be written as X into Y plus Z. Okay, go through this one, you will get a better understanding. So first the expression will be variable operand. Variable operator is equal to expression. So the syntax will be like this. So here if you see, this is the variable. Sorry, this A and this X. Wait, bold it. See here, this is the variable. This is the variable. I will underline that one. See here, this is the expression. And this is the expression, guys. See here, this is the expression. And even this is the expression. See here, A, X are the variables Plus and star are the operands, and the right hand side will be the expression. It is variable, operator, expression. Variable, operator, expression. See here, a is equal to a plus 2 can be written as a plus is equal to 2. A is equal to a minus 2 can be written as a minus is equal to 2. A is equal to a star 2. A into 2 can be written as ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಳಸನ್ ಮರ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅಳಸನ್ ಮರ ಮಗುನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅದು ಅವನು ಅಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫೋನು ಬೇಡ ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು 11:55 ಮನೆ ಬಿಡಿ, 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಡಿಪೋ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫೋನು ಬೇಡ ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅವನು 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾನು 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಡಿಪೋ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. See guys, this is how we are going to write. Yeah, is this clear? Is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ new, it was new thing for you people. Assignment operator, shorthand assignment operator. Is it clear? If it is clear, reply to. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ. Reply to. Okay, let us see multiple assignment operators. I need to complete this operators today and tomorrow. I need to complete the topic, guys. See here, multiple assignment operator is j is equal to 10, I is equal to 10, and k is equal to 10. We can write it as I is equal to j is equal to k is equal to 10. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಒಂದು 12:50 ನನಗೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಶುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Okay guys, is that one multiple assignment operator clear? Is the multiple assignment operator clear? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10, C is equal to 10 idre A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 10. I think it is very easy, simple one. Reply 3 if it is understood. Reply 3 if it is clear. ಇದು multiple assignment operator. Do people listen or not? Multiple assignment operator. This is multiple assignment operator. Guys, is a multiple assignment operator clear? If it is clear, reply 3. I am audible? Pushkar?
Yes sir, audible.
Why less replies? Only Nivedita and Nitin?
No sir, it's not updated yet in your laptop. It's updating here, sir. There are more replies.
Guys, respond. Reply hi. Yes. Huh? Yes, man.
Sir, I think there's a network issue because you're hearing late.
But I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir. I think it's fine now. It's updating in both.
Okay, thank you. See, guys, one more thing. We can write. See here. A is equal to A plus 1. A is equal to A plus 1 or plus 1 or one more second. A is equal to A plus 1, 2 plus 1, A is equal to 2 minus 1 or 2 minus 1. See, guys, in this first two things, okay, these two are first two things. So this is the other thing. See, guys, what I'm doing here and what I'm doing here. Hey, guys, I'm not doing addition and I'm not doing subtraction. I'm doing other thing. What I'm doing there in those two statements. Don't reply. Just carefully go through this one. Solpa is a different topic. I'm not doing only addition, guys, or I'm not doing subtraction here. I'm not doing addition. I'm not doing subtraction here. So this is not equation 1. In equation 2, I'm not doing subtraction. Other thing also I'm doing. Apart from addition also I'm doing one more thing. What is that one? Can you people guess? In equation 1 I'm doing something and equation 2 I'm doing something. What is that one? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಹರಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ if it is understood it will be very nice in this step only, rather than me explaining. If you understand here, it will be fine, guys. Really, it will be nice. Those who are from CBCS or studied Python or any other language, you can relax. Others, general mathematics ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? What I am doing here? In this first step, I am doing something, and the second step, I am doing something. What is that one? Ogli, am I doing addition and subtraction there? In step 1, I am doing addition. In step 2, I am doing subtraction. Will you people agree?
Yes, sir.
ಊಟ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಎಸ್, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Apart from that, what I am doing? Apart from addition subtraction, what I am doing? Guys, see here. If you see these things here, am I incrementing 1 to A? Am I incrementing 1 to 2? Am I decrementing 1 to 2? Am I decrementing 1 to 2 here? Guys, in this first step, apart from addition, okay, I am doing addition, no doubt in that one. That is maths, we know that one. Apart from that, what I am doing is I am incrementing A. Here, I am incrementing 2. Here, I am decrementing A. I am decrementing 2. Guys, in the first step, what I am doing is I am incrementing. In the second step, what I am doing is I am decrementing. Correct? If it is correct, reply C. I am incrementing in the first step. In the first examples, I am incrementing. In the second examples, I am decrementing. Correct? If it is correct, reply C. Reply C. So, guys, ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Take time. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ. I am not in a hurry. I won't be in a hurry every time. So, in the first step, what I am doing is I am incrementing. In the second step, what I am doing is I am not doing subtraction, guys. Hey, ನೋಡಿ 10 21. This is addition for you. This is addition. See here, you'll not write a is equal to a plus 1 and this one is incrementing. Incrementing. So this is addition. So this is decrementing. Decrementing. So 20 minus 17. 20 minus 17. This is subtraction. Correct? Huh? People agree with this one. A is equal to a plus 1 and 2 plus 1. Here what I am doing is I am incrementing. Addition means it will be 10 plus 21 is equal to 31. 31. 10 minus 17 is equal to 3. Okay, guys, did you people got the difference between increment and decrement and addition and subtraction? Did you people get the difference between increment, addition, decrement, subtraction? Reply DC if it is understood. Reply DC, DC. Others? Others? I did not get not even 15 responses. Others? Yan Manoj, should I plead you? As soon as you listen, as soon as you hear, you should reply pata 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 anta reply kodbeku. So in see what we can do is we can do increment or decrement, guys. This can be written as a plus plus increment. So this is increment. Sorry, a plus plus control X control V. This is increment and a minus minus. This is decrement. Let's go through this very deeply. I think you got the difference between decrement and increment. Let us see the next type of operators. Increment and decrement operators. See here, the operator plus plus adds 1 to the operand, while minus minus subtracts 1. We have post increment and pre increment. A plus plus is nothing but post increment. See here. A plus sorry. A plus plus and A. Post increment. This is pre increment. A plus plus is post increment and plus plus A is pre increment. Post decrement and pre decrement. A minus minus and minus minus A. ನೀನ್ ಗಾಯ್ತ ಸ್ನಾನ ನೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ನಾನು ಅದೇ ನಮ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೋತಾ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬೇಡ ನಾನು This is something about post decrement and pre decrement. Guys, is this increment and decrement clear? Reply increment IC or DC. Reply IC DC if it is clear. Increment decrement. Guys, ನೋಡಿ ఎవరెవరు reply F. See, as a friend, I am telling you people, guys, now you people, for you people, whatever I speak, when you are listening, 100% it will be understanding. It is not because of the nature or I am 9 years experience. But if I complete this August, I will be completing 9 years and I will be entering into 10 years of experience. It's not because of my experience, nor the subject, nor the way I teach, nor your understanding capacity. You are in that maturity level, guys. You are in engineering second sem. Like you people have the capacity to understand if it is being taught in a reasonable way, minimum understanding, with the minimum knowledge. If any person teaches, you people have the skill to understand that one. No doubt in that one. I don't say no. You people have the skill. But when it comes to a few things, guys, especially this subject, whatever you listen, guys, see here. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೋ see here. The same program control C, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು GDB ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. GDB ಕಂಪೈಲರ್. Select C language. Control A, backslash Control V, hash encode int A is equal to 21, int A is equal to 21, int F enter A. See here, main return 0.